Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Madania. I'm semester 7. Hello everyone. I will explain my title which is about strategies for improving English speaking skill by semester 1 student of Istika IV Paracendikia in West Sumbawa. Okay everyone. I want to move to the next slides about the first. There is an outline. Head 2. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, literature review. Okay, let's move on to the next slides. In chapter 1, have background of study. Background of study. Since English has become a global language and is applied in many fields such as education, science, business, and technology. English speaking skill is considered very crucial to be mastered. It is supported by Rao argues that speaking skill is considered the most vital skill in learning a foreign or second language. Based on the explanation, it can be concluded that speaking skill is fundamental in various fields and are regarded as one of key aspects in mastering any language, including English. Having ability to speak English words enable people to communicate with other people from different culture, background, and encourage opportunity to compete in an increasingly competitive workforce. Next, move to the next slides about identification of the problem. Based on the background above, several problems are identified below. Some of the factors that often become obstacles include lack of confidence, limited vocabulary, or lack of vocabulary and lack of speaking opportunities in English speaking environments, uninteresting teaching methods, and many students feel awkward or afraid to speak. Many students face difficulties in developing their English speaking skills. Okay, next to the next slide about limitation of the problems. One of the learning methods that can be used is role-play group discussion, technology, business, learnings, methods, and teaching techniques are developed to improve student speaking ability in order to know their speaking ability and practically use communication teaching techniques. This research aims to explore approaches that are more effective in improving student English speaking skill and to understand what factors best support the success of the learning process. By choosing the right methods, it is expected that students will be more active and confident in speaking English, which will unlimitedly improve their overall communication skill. Okay, next, research problem formulation. The formulation of the problem falls in this study are: number 1, what are the difficulties that semester 1 student encounters in speaking English? Number 2, what are the factors that cause student difficulties? Number 3, what are the strategies that students apply as solution for their speaking difficulties? Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Research problem formulation. What are the difficulties that semester 1 student in speak? What are the factors that cause student difficulties? What are the strategy that student affiliates in solution their speak difficulties? Research objective. Number 1, theoretical benefit. Number 2, practical benefit. Definition of key terms. Strategies for improving speaking English. 2. Number 1, definition strategies improving. Number 2, strategies to improve English speaking skill. Number 3, benefit of strategies for improving. Number 4, benefit of English speaking skill. Number 5, definition semester 1 student. Relevant studies. Their first research was concluded by Laila 2019 109 that to improve aspects speaking skills should be applied in learning that in the education to internal factors that are also external factors, which are external factors that encourage students to be more active in class. Teachers' strategies are also needed in learning skills such as language skill. Language skill includes listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Among the 4 skills, speaking skills are one of the important learning focus because they are productive, good speaking skill. Strategies so role-playing learning model. The role-playing model is one of the social learning models, which is a learning model by assisting students to play a character in the material or even experience in the form of a simple story. Role-playing literally. This active requires that players to play and the imagination rules work together to assemble the story and play the story. These learning models not only stimulated students' minds in intelligence but also body movements and increase student activities because students are given the opportunity to learn according to their respective learning style. Thanks for your watching in my video. I'm sorry if I have a mistake from my presentation. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.